Good, that was nice. Nice quick turnaround.
November Victor Victor, contact tower 134.6, bye bye. 34.6, take care, Victor Victor.
I have my ticket. No, I hope.
Was your Malta 24 Papa Mike, been green ground? Which Malta 24 Papa Mike? Was your Malta 24 Papa Mike, you have any CQC 10. Let you know if there's any more improvement.
At least where you need to go.
Thank you very much, Which Malta 24 Papa Mike.
We're gonna be super early in the hotel. It's good. Parking brake on. Okay, start checklist. Start checklist. Doors.
Postman 963 heavy information whiskey request
Closed.
clearance
Parking
to
brake.
Leipzig
On.
on 10 November
Fuel
12.
oxygen balance.
Bobo 963 heavy, been green ground, destination Leipzig, climb by SUVAS,
Radar.
Monaco departure altitude 4,000 feet, squawk 6052.
Right clear.
Out of runway 26, climb
Starting right engine.
from Echo departure, initially climb is 4,000 feet and the squawk is 6052, Postman 963 heavy, and please be advised we need at least Echo for the takeoff run.
Postman 963, read back correct and copy the request.
Thank you.
Below 120. Light off. Fuel flow. Start target out. And oil pressure. 672, roll back to 564. Good start on the right engine. Left engine. Left clear. Starting left engine. Time. Oops. And left to aux on. 20 and 1. ITT below 120. Light of fuel flow.
Was there Malta 24 Papa Mike, been green
Oil
ground?
pressure.
Is Malta 24 Papa Mike, go ahead.
2
Was there
again.
24 Papa Mike, unfortunately your CQC was again
within 2%
postponed
for good start left engine.
1119er. We're trying to up from our side with Eurocontrol. Yeah, we copy. Thank you. Waiting for your information is Malta 24 Papa Mike.
Right rudder, left rudder, right aileron, left aileron, elevator up, elevator down. Okay, no one is there. FMS1, speeds posted, 40 indicated, 170 pre-selected, takeoff, flight director coupled to the left, auto throttle armed, climbing 4,000 feet, QNH 1011. We accelerate 1640, current heading 025, pre-selected 255, no flags, no warnings.
No flags, no warning. Start checklist, Gen 1, Gen 2.
On.
ACDC pages.
Checked.
PUJ.
Off.
10 stage on the APU.
On. Ignition. Disarm.
Packs.
On.
14 stage checked. Wrinkles on
Was there Malta 24 Papa Mike, been green ground?
Check down.
Go ahead, this is Malta 24 Papa Mike.
20, DG
Was there Malta
control
24
over
Papa
units, flight
Mike,
controls.
CDOT
No
1044.
steer.
On.
Flight
Well,
control
base is Malta
gas.
24 Papa Mike.
Checked. Start checklist complete. Taxi. Continue. Ready for taxi.
Taxi Victor Charlie, Tango 2, hold short of runway 21.
Victor Charlie, Tango 2, all short, runway 21. Taxi light on.
Ah, okay, so just to the left now, right?
Yeah.
Thank you. Left is clear.
Right, clear, nothing. And we hold on Tango 2, Roger, before runway 21.
Brakes released. And my brakes. Oh, check your brakes.
My brakes, checking brakes. Brake checks your brakes.
My brakes.
10-05.
Tango 2, cross runway 21, taxi right echo, hold short of Romeo.
All short of Romeo. Copy, so we cross runway 21 via Tango 2, then Echo 2, Echo, and all short of Romeo.
Okay, checked. So Romeo is the taxiway parallel to runway 26, I think.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, left clear.
Right, clear.
Thank you.
Ecology light on. So after on the right till the end.
Checked. Right clear. Alright, taxi checklist.
Brakes,
Checked.
checked. Take a brief.
Okay, 40 non-normals, so that's an engine failure, an engine fire, stuck gear, thrust reverser deploy. We initially go straight ahead, but we can follow the SID because it will keep us on runway track initially. To 4,000 feet, I'll ask for nav, flight level change, V2 plus 10, which is 141, and autopilot on.
Copy.
Stop orientated,
Yeah.
and we come back on runway 12. For the regular SUVAS 1 Echo, climbing initially 4,000 feet.
Contact tower 134.6.
Tower 134.6. Bye-bye. Tower. Shalom again. We are on the Echo. We'll hold the Romeo.
Tower Shalom, continue taxi to holding point Whiskey 1, runway 26 via Romeo.
So we continue Whiskey 1, runway 26 via Romeo.
Can you ask her?
Flag 3,
Can you ask her for echo because we need to update our position on the runway threshold?
Okay.
Or just ask. We require echo.
Runway 01, log 3.
Flag 3, south of Kvish 1, road 1.
South Kvish 1, log 3.
And Tower. Could we proceed via Echo for full length runway 26, please?
Nassau, continue taxi to holding point Echo, runway 26.
So we continue to holding point Echo, runway 26.
Left clear?
Right, clear.
Alright, so for the regular SUVAS 1 Echo, initially straight ahead and then a slight right turn, climbing 4,000 feet. I'll ask for nav, vertical speed, autopilot on. And there is a climb restriction 8,000 feet in case we get a higher altitude. Makes sense? You have to talk to the SID guy.
Okay, bye.
So
Okay.
if we get a higher than 8,000, we have to make sure that we have complied. Takeoff checklist above the line.
Above the line. Tac. Cabin.
Secure.
Secure continuation. So let's go on for the bird. Case off. Terra above, what's the radar?
Expect few minutes delay due to ambulance flight crossing the airspace.
That's copied. ATSFD,
Engaged.
below the line, above the line, complete.
And parking brake is on.
פלאג 3, קו ישר לבלינסון, רשאי לחצות מעל המסלולים ומעל המגדל. Bluebird 703, vacate via Yankee, right on mic.
Vacate via Yankee, right on mic, Bluebird 703.
Bluebird 703, contact ground 121.75.
1175, good day, Bluebird 703.
Connected over there. Yeah.
דלתא אלפא אקס-ריי בגובה 2400 רשאי לבצע עוד שני לגים במיקום הנוכחי שלך צפונה דרומה.
2400 נכנס לשני לגים, דלתא אלפא אקס-ריי.
Delta Alpha X-ray, traffic helicopter at altitude 1,200 feet, south of you, 6 miles.
Copy the traffic to balance on Delta Alpha X-ray.
פלאג 3, לשמור מרבי 1200 כל הזמן, תנועה מעליך בגובה 2400.
And if you think about it, the SID makes sense, right?
No, it's okay, I just figured out why you said 8,000 because it's 5,000 or above. Okay.
Via Echo, line up and wait, runway 26.
Via Echo, line up and wait, runway 26.
Park and brake off. Thank you. Taxi light is on, left clear.
Right is clear.
And let's wait with below the line because it's quite hot for the probes. It's not that windy. There is the helicopter.
Ambulance.
It's going north. If I was in a single engine, I would be...
When airborne, remain this frequency, wind calm, runway 26, clear for takeoff.
We are clear on runway 26 and will remain this frequency when airborne. Below the line?
Go ahead.
So next page, runway update.
Yeah, you can do it already.
Okay, tack.
Flag 3, כמה זמן?
Wind calls anti-ice. Windshield low, props on,
Flag
gas.
3, copy, אתם דקה לנחיתה.
Take off config, okay.
Take off config, okay, we're waiting.
Checked.
Check,
Flag 3,
take off
report
clearance.
on ground, ולפני המראה לתאם במשני.
Ready?
Thank you. Check takeoff thrust.
פלאג 3, מה הרוח אצלכם?
Flag 3, the wind is 270 degrees 7 knots.
270, פלאג 3.
Takeoff thrust set, 80 pad.
Checked.
P1, rotate. Positive rate.
דלתא אלפא אקס-ריי טאוור. נשאר לכם עוד לג אחד.
Select nav.
רגע, אנחנו בודקים את החומר ועפים לכם העיניים.
Select vertical speed.
Vertical speed.
דלתא אלפא אקס-ריי קיבלתי, תעדכן.
Pilot on.
כן, דלתא אלפא.
Pilot couple to the left. Nav on engaged, vertical speed engaged.
Checked.
Contact departure 120.5.
Departure 1205. Thank you, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Departure. Shalom, airborne, passing 2,000 feet for SUVAS Echo.
Shalom, Bengal on departure radar contact, climb via SID to altitude 8,000 feet.
Climb via SID at 8,000 feet.
8,000 feet is set.
Checked.
Okay, I have a message. Unable RMP.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, just tell him drone. Now.
Drone?
3,000 feet. Yeah.
Drone?
Yeah.
Drone at 3,000 feet.
Copy, thank you.
Speed to 100 is set.
Checked. You've seen one drone?
Yeah.
Okay.
Flap 0.
Flap 0.
After takeoff checklist.
Start takeoff checklist.
I probably have it on the GoPro.
Interesting. Okay, after takeoff checklist, landing gear is up. Flaps 0, thrust reverser off, climb thrust set, gas pressurization. Not climbing yet. After takeoff checklist complete.
Thank you. So RMP is 1 at the moment, so I'm happy.
Contact Tel Aviv 121.4, thank you for the info.
Tel Aviv 121.4, you're welcome. Bye-bye. Tel Aviv. Shalom. Passing 7,000 feet. Approaching 7,000 feet on our side.
Shalom, 8,000. Climb unrestricted to flight level 260.
Climbing unrestricted, flight level 260.
Okay, flight level 260 is set. Set standard.
Kia 216, contact plane going approach 1.
Passing level 73.
1205, Shalom, for the 216.
Alright.
Now. Check. Ooh, that was close.